Hello, and welcome to day 3, Wednesday, March 24th. Let's see what we have to do for today. It is Wednesday, that means it's an async day. We will not meet online as a class. Let's see what you have to do. First, you'll watch this video. Then you'll click async. You have 2 activities today. First activity is page 30 and 31 in the book. You are going to listen to this audio to complete part A and B. And then you'll listen to this audio to complete 3A. Okay, when you're done, take a picture and upload. Your next async assignment is Mel, and you will complete telecommunicating, reading vocabulary. Okay, and that you will complete. And that's it for async. As always, there's always some activities with student services. There's a credentialing workshop if you want to convert your credentials from your country to the US. You can attend this Zoom 10 a.m. to find more information. If you want to have a meeting with the immigration lawyer, you can email the student services and make an appointment. Also, tomorrow there will be a DC HealthLink insurance help. And that's it for today. Good luck.